Hey guys, this is gonna be a one take, just doing an overview of the Mustang here. It's a 66 coupe with a 200 6-cylinder. It's the one that has the lovely intake manifold, is actually part of the head. And you can't really see with the smog tube in the way, but that's cast in there. And this does have a smog pump for some reason. A little one barrel deal. Pretty nice car. Starting to convert it over to all LED stuff. Whoever has this is just starting to really get on it. So this is the interior. Just a stock car. This thing isn't crazy done or anything like that. Still good looking car. Back shot. LED tail lights. All that good stuff. So anyways, what I did to this thing is having an issue where it was putting gear. This is a 4-speed car. I just buck real hard. So basically I just went over the points inside of this. They were set too far, so I set that to 20. And in case anyone's wondering, with the fuel gauge, 20 thousandths I would assume. Fuel pump's been replaced. At some point I just put this motor mount in because the motor was flopping over pretty good. Clean it up a little bit. I had this little guy because it's rubbing up the valve cover. I did this. I was loose. There's an actual vacuum port here. It was actually loose, so I JB welded that in. I took care of some vacuum leaks, whatever. This PC valve, this hose was leaking a little bit. Started solenoid was junk on it. Replace that, kind of clean up a little bit of the wiring. This went to nothing, so I added a body ground. I just ran it to this little screw there, and that little screw is what holds the horn together. So I ran it ground to that. This is the original air conditioning bracket because this is an AC car. This was actually flopping loose because that bolt there was loose, and then the two behind it, those two right there on that plate, were loose. So this whole thing, when I was running, was actually flopping around. I did all that, and then the clutch fork down there. Can you even see the clutch? Right, that guy, this little guy there. The poker part was actually going through that lever, actually poking through. So I had to add a little. That's just like a brake line adapter. You know, thread changing, whatever those things are. So I just added that, and so the spring tension's holding that in place, and it's not coming out in case anyone's concerned about that. It's not a it's a quick repair I found over time. Sorry about the finger there. Got the spark plugs, they were new, but they weren't gapped. They were just thrown in from whatever auto parts store they came from. So I had to gap those, and she runs good. All fixed up, no breaking up issue. Bucking real hard. I thought it was gonna be the clutch was no good because it was acting funky, but no, it was not. So and they got the little adjustable deal for the rear brakes there. But anyways, good to go. That was a repair I had to do on this car. So thank you for watching.